Australian company BHP Billiton may soon be paying close to $40 billion for the rights to the Potash Corporation of Saskatchewan. Premier Brad Wall has made his opinion clear, firmly stating BHP should not be allowed to buy Potash Corp. Wall's strong stance on the issue is raising questions about the role of government in publicly traded companies.
If a company comes and plays by the rules of the land, which BHP has done, the decision should not be the government's. The decision of whether that company is sold or not should be the shareholders. And that's what the Premier has tried to pull out from.
Potash Corp has had their head office in Saskatoon for over 35 years. The company provides fertilizer to the Saskatchewan agriculture industry as well as the worldwide market. Premier Brad Wall says he's taking a stance for the province.
BHP will look after their shareholders, and I respect that, and Potash Corporation will look after their shareholders' interests, and I respect that. They need to respect the fact that the province of Saskatchewan will look after our shareholders' interests. That's the people of the province who actually own the resource in the first place. That's who owns the natural resources in Saskatchewan. It isn't any company, but it's the people.
BHP has made a number of promises. These include maintaining local jobs and fair revenue payments. But Wall still thinks the province will lose out on vital revenue dollars and local control.
We know we'll be out between $3 and $6 billion worth of revenue just because of the production model that BHP uses, as well as the fact that they will use the debt financing of this large deal to write off against future income for both Canada and Saskatchewan.
Potash and the selling of the company has attracted worldwide attention. Members from the Saskatchewan Chamber of Commerce say the province needs to clarify the way we do business now that we're trading in a worldwide market.
Let's look at all of our tax rules and our royalty rules and make sure that we don't get surprised again, so that we're consistent and transparent in what our rules are, that after somebody comes in and looks at our businesses and looks to invest or to buy out, that we don't have to get caught blindsided and go, oh, we didn't mean that. We didn't mean you could buy that. We don't want you to buy that, and now we're saying you can't. You can't do that in today's global investment climate.
The sale would be a foreign takeover with assets in the billion-dollar range. For this reason, the federal government is reviewing the net benefit to the country should the sale go through and will provide a yes or no answer on November 3rd. Should they say yes, the vote will then go to the actual shareholders of the company to make a final decision. For Southwest TV News, I'm Kara Rapke.